Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're cutting right through the usual hype to look at an AI agent deployment that has actually massively succeeded in real-world production. We hear a lot of grand promises about AI all the time, right? But today, we are tearing down the literal blueprint of a deployment that is absolutely thriving out there in the wild, the Pace Insurance case study. So let's just kick things off by asking the big, fundamental question. What does it actually look like when an AI agent deployment works? You know, when AI finally moves past the cute sandbox experiments, past the glossy tech demos, and steps into live, large-scale reality? Well, the case study we're diving into today gives us a crystal clear look at a company getting it perfectly right. And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates the stakes and the totally contrasting strategies in the market right now. On one hand, you have massive tech giants like Meta. They tried to reorganize their entire company around this promise of broad, general-purpose AI agents. And after 4 months, they basically admitted the plan stalled out. But then on the other side, we have Pace. They took the exact opposite approach. Instead of trying to boil the ocean and do everything for everyone, Pace launched a hyper-focused, industry-specific AI. And get this, they went live in just 90 days.
Section 1. Meet Pace, the AI agent.
Okay, so Pace is an AI operations company built strictly from the ground up for the insurance industry. As of mid-2026, they are running live claims and customer calls. And listen, the market has absolutely taken notice. Back in May, Pace raised a massive $46 million Series B funding round. We're talking co-led by heavyweights like Thrive Capital and Sequoia Capital, with Emergence and Proven Capital jumping in too. That $46 million number, that represents serious, undeniable validation that this hyper-focused approach is actually working.
So you might be wondering, what do these agents actually do all day? Well, they autonomously handle the gritty, traditional back-office operations that literally keep the insurance industry running. We're talking submission intake, policy servicing, claims handling, renewals, data entry, and first notice of loss processing. Pace's agents navigate internal enterprise apps, they read and reason across huge documents, and then they write data back into core systems. They've already knocked out over 250,000 workflows from major clients. And the absolute best part for these massive insurance carriers, the agents do all of this without forcing the insurer to rip out and replace their existing super complex legacy tech stacks. They just slot right in.
Section 2. The Palomar case study. To really understand how Pace integrates so flawlessly with a specialty insurer like Palomar, we have to talk about Agentic Operating Procedures, or AOPs. This is totally their secret sauce. Instead of relying on complex code that requires, an entire army of software engineers to tweak, AOPs are basically just plain English playbooks. The AI agents follow these playbooks directly inside the insurer's existing systems. It captures the existing workflows in a language that the actual business teams can understand and manage themselves. This essentially builds a seamless, bite-sized workflow directly inside the platform where the human operations team is already hanging out and working. The agent workflow is just beautifully simple. Step 1, understand the incoming request. Step 2, pull the right data from internal systems. Step 3, produce the required output. And Step 4, close the case. It does this entirely within the existing environment. It acts exactly like a highly efficient digital employee. And because Pace managed to ship these first agents for Palomar in just 90 days, the impact has been staggering. Palomar is now processing hundreds of requests a day across voice and email. Tasks that used to take minutes of human triage and authentication, they now take literally seconds. Email queues that used to just pile up are resolved in the exact same window they arrive in. Get this, Palomar is now resolving 90% of cases from intake to outcome without adding a single new hire to their headcount. No way, right? It's incredible. But here is the crucial point, accuracy. Speed is fantastic, obviously, but in insurance, if you aren't accurate, you are just creating a faster disaster. Pace agents run at 98 to 99% accuracy across their entire client base. But for Palomar specifically, they are actually exceeding 99.9% accuracy. To put that into perspective and show you why it's a real game changer, human-driven carriers previously sampled maybe 1 to 5% of their claims for quality assurance. Now with Pace, they're running QA across 100% of claims in real time. This isn't just a minor tweak, this is a fundamental structural shift in how quality control works in these operations. The CEO of Pace actually shared a brilliant example that makes this incredibly real. Imagine a hurricane hits. A carrier might need to apply 400 complex rules to thousands of multi-hundred-page claim files. A human reviewer might maintain perfect consistency for the first 20 or 30 files, but by the 30th file, on a Friday afternoon, exhaustion sets in. Accuracy drops, errors start to compound. But an AI agent? It literally never gets tired. It applies those same 400 rules with the exact same flawless consistency on its 1,000th massive claim file as it did on the very first one. And the thing is, Palomar isn't just an isolated incident. The success is spreading rapidly across the whole industry. Over at Prudential, PACE is automating thousands of hours of manual work across policy issuance and customer acquisition. At Rise Claim Solutions, these agents have reduced the total claim cycle time by about 30%. And at Convex US, PACE is drastically accelerating massive amounts of data ingestion for new business and renewals. Their footprint is growing fast, and they've got plans to scale into tens of millions of completed tasks globally this year alone.
Section 3. The 3 Pillars of Success.
So, what exactly makes PACE work where so many other AI deployments completely stalled out? Well, they cracked the code with 3 specific rules. First, a hyper-narrow scope. They focused on specific, well-defined insurance workflows with very clearly documented inputs and outputs. Second, those agentic operating procedures we talked about. Because they're in plain English, it means business teams, not engineers, can update the guardrails and test the playbooks as workflows inevitably change. And third, full audit lineage. Every single action is tracked for state-level compliance, and models are never trained on personally identifiable information. In a highly regulated space like insurance, regulators demand a highly traceable record of exactly what happened and why. PACE built that traceability in from day one.
Section 4. The $9 trillion gap.
Let's zoom out for a second, because this isn't just about saving back-office time or making data entry faster. This is about using technology to unlock a massive global market. Historically, millions of small policies, niche markets, and underserved segments were simply ignored by insurers. Why? Simply because human operational costs were just too high to make them profitable. If it costs a human team a certain number of hours to process a tiny policy, the carrier loses money. But by utilizing AI agents to drive the cost and speed of processing a claim down to near zero, insurers can suddenly afford to cover these smaller niche markets profitably. It completely changes the actual underlying economics of insurance. And that new dynamic directly addresses this absolutely staggering number, the global protection gap. Right now, there is an estimated $9 trillion difference between the insurance coverage the world desperately needs and the coverage it actually currently has. That is 9 trillion with a T. PACE's argument is that this gap doesn't exist just because insurers don't want the business. It exists because the operational cost of serving those markets with human-only workflows was mathematically impossible. Agentic AI is the key to finally bridging that $9 trillion shortfall. So I want to leave you with this final thought to consider based on everything we've unpacked today. If a clearly defined, narrow scope can successfully deploy in 90 days, run at 99.9% accuracy, and potentially unlock a $9 trillion global problem by 2026, is hyper-focus the true secret to making AI actually work in the real world? As we watch this technology evolve, the PACE case study heavily suggests that doing one thing perfectly is far, far more powerful than doing everything poorly. Thanks for joining us for this explainer, and we will catch you next time.